Right here we have a 124 scale Dodge Charger. This is a Motor Max model. Hood opens on this one as well as the front doors. Nothing else opens on this one unless you break it open. But anyway, that's it. The customer, I believe, is an FBI. I think it works with FBI. Wanted this model made. No headlights or taillights in it. Go figure. No headlights or taillights. But anyway, I know the customer, by the way, in case you're wondering why I'm bad-mouthing. No headlights or taillights in this one, but there are a red and blue grille strobe, red and blue strobe in the fog light, and then two blue strobes in the reverse lights. Nothing to the interior at all. No, I don't know if there's going to be decals placed on this one or not, but anyway, is what it is. Battery can be replaced by taking these two screws out here. Rear bumper piece slides off, and you can replace the battery through the bumper, so no need to take out all the screws and all of that mess. One power switch right here. Used one of my circuit boards on this one, so you're going to see different, a couple of different flash patterns with this. Again, those are triple strobe. Each time you see the LED illuminates, it's actually strobing 3 times. Just too quick for my camera to pick up. So a couple speeds of that, and then simultaneous flash there. The blue strobes in the rear, same setup. Again, those look just wig-wag, but they're actually triple strobe each time. And again, same patterns as the front. Slower wig-wag there, and then you've got a faster wig-wag there, and then a simultaneous flash. So no siren on this one. So anyway, sir, appreciate the order, and I will get this shipped out probably tomorrow to you. If I didn't mention, it is a Motor Max model, 24 scale, so I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'll have the antennas in a bag. Also, while I'm thinking about it, you didn't mention the push bar. I took the push bar off. You can just insert it back in there if you want it replaced. Just put a little dab of glue on there if you want, and put it back in the holes in the front. Otherwise, I'll send you a piece of black vinyl. You can cover that and never even see the holes. So thank you very much. Like I said, I'll get this shipped out tomorrow to you. Thank you.